Automatic 3+2-Axis roughing, stock volume-based machining directions. Traditional roughing workflows often require manual direction checks because stock detection algorithms can miss or misinterpret remaining material. This leads to inefficient machining, extra setup time, and unnecessary verification loops. With stock volume-based machining directions, the system automatically analyzes removable stock volume from multiple orientations. It identifies the optimal machining direction based on where the most material can be consistently and effectively removed. This automation removes guesswork, eliminates manual direction adjustments, and delivers reliable rest stock detection. Programmers gain dependable, high-quality roughing results while accelerating time to production.